Hey guys, Trapper John here from It's A Trapp Gaming, and I've missed you guys this week. Thank you for understanding. Had some family things going on, nothing, but we're back. Everything's going great. I got a HelloFresh unboxing for you guys today. Video game news will be up tomorrow, so sorry for the delay on that, but you guys will see there's a good amount of stories, some really cool things happening there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this one right here. Alright, so I went ahead and cracked the seal on this one. What do we got this week? We got buttered up steak. This is one of our first repeat meals. Extremely easy to do. Really good stuff. Got our nutritional facts there. We got sweet as honey chicken. Look at that. So good. And we got amazing apricot chicken. There we go, 2 chickens in this one. So really cool stuff there. Here are the meals from last week, fully cooked for you guys to enjoy. So here you are. So like I said, really easy meals to cook. Nothing too crazy going on with those. So this one we had pesto turkey burgers. Pesto turkey burger. Wow! Pesto turkey. Couldn't I say turkey? Pesto turkey burgers. New York strip steak in a mushroom sauce. The chicken, the apricot chicken. Tropical tilapia tacos. Sweet as honey chicken. Cherry drizzled pork chops. Classic beef chili. And buttered up steak. So really good stuff in there. And we've got our packages. The apricot chicken. And we've got sweet as honey chicken. So like I said, we got chicken. We will be cooking with gas with the chicken. And our buttered up steak. These were really good. These meals will be really easy and it'll help us out this week. Especially with our crazy times coming up. So let's grab our meat out of here. Let's get these chicken cuts out and our steak. There it is. Alright, so our sirloin. Nice cut of sirloin there. Chicken breast. And a boneless. This is another chicken breast. Hammered out there. So that is all of that in there. Another big old ice pack here. Big old Nordic ice pack. These things are amazing. I just keep loading up on them. And I believe that is it for this one. No ads or anything with this, which I was not expecting, which is perfectly fine. So good stuff here. The giveaway, you guys have been awesome. Contacted the winners for this second one. Sadly, there is no giveaway this week, but there will be another one, most likely next week. So just stay tuned with that one. But like I said, you guys seen this. It's been great. Cooking has been, it's making it a lot easier for me. I can enjoy it. Once again, video game news will be back tomorrow. You guys will see that. We're not missing the episode. We're just pushing it back a day to get some more stories in there. And making sure we get everything correct for you guys to finally sit and enjoy. I'll be playing Monster Hunter this weekend, especially Sunday. We'll be on there Sunday playing a lot of Monster Hunter. So feel free to jump on in. I have a party. I got my squad ready to go. Don't be afraid to jump in if you need help. Send up an SOS flare. Let me know and I will help you do what I can and help you get through these missions because they can be kind of taxing and very annoying at times. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for understanding this week and everything else. You guys are awesome. Enjoy your weekend. Let's get this going. So thank you guys. I am Trapper John. It's been a pleasure to talk to you guys. I will catch every single one of you online and in the very next video. See you guys. Bye.